Hi, I'm Matt Mazer. I'm the Reeve of the RM of Norton. So we're an RM of approximately 550 kilometers of dirt roads and approximately 450 kilometers of gravel roads. We have a varying degree of road conditions between our gravel roads and our back roads. Our topography is such that we have stones that will range anywhere from approximately softball size all the way up to a large beach ball, essentially, that can be embedded in any different road type. We've tried every other blade, every other system, every other tip that we have on the market, and we hadn't found anything that would fit better than what we were currently using.
The GraderBit2 system is very versatile. There's 10 different bit configurations. It can be customizable between dirt roads, gravel roads. It's basically a hammerless system. You can just change bits with the pull pin on the back. So you can move the bits around, very versatile, get the maximum life out of the bits. This brings up productivity and less downtime.
With our varying road conditions going between dirt roads and gravel roads, we were looking for something that was durable, something that was long-lasting, and we wanted something that we could justify on a cost basis, which is what we got with the GB2 system.
My name is Jacqueline James. I am an operator for the RM of Norton. You can run one or two passes with GraderBit2 and end up with the same result as if you ran 4 passes with an edge.
After looking at however many different blade systems and tip systems and everything we've looked at, we were going into this expecting pretty much the same as what we've come to expect, which is overpromise, underdeliver, and this is the exact opposite. This is an underpromise, overdeliver. Everybody's been extremely happy with it, and so far we haven't been let down in any way.